In this video, we are going to create the customer group. To create the customer group, we will go to the master and then we'll click on the customer group. Once we click on the customer group, we will give the group name. Let's say waiting for LPO. And then I'm going to select it for the job card and then save. Now this is saved for the job card, as you can see here as yes, the job card group. Now if you want to create a group for the customer, you can create the group name as value, assign it to the customer, and then save. So you have created a group for the customer. So as you can see, we have 2 groups for the customer and you have around 7 groups for the job card. This is how you create the group master for the customer and the job cards. Thank you.